Hey, I'm Brian Van, sportbiketrackgear.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the Spidi Carbo Track Replica Gauntlet Glove. Okay, the retail on this glove is $339 as of the time we're shooting this video. Who is this glove designed for? This is meant for high-level racing track riding. Can you wear it on the street? If you want the best protection, feel, and comfort on the street in a high-end glove, yes, this could be worn on the street too. It has the comfort to allow for that. Sizing is really a big deal with gloves. You want to get that proper fit, that proper feel. With all that said, I normally wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. Right now, in the Carbo Track Replica, I've got on a 3X. So I would say that these gloves run one size smaller than marked. Use that along with their size chart to help choose the correct size for yourself. Like I said, top-level racing and track riding glove could be used on the street for sure. They're using 0.8 millimeter thick Cowhide all throughout the glove. Of course, it is premium stuff. Features and benefits that I think really stand out. This Warrior technology. This is essentially plastic material, and it's all segmented. You can see how that just flexes and moves. It almost looks like a back protector, right? It is firm enough that it'll slide easy on the pavement. That's really what you want. So this is going to help absorb energy in an impact because there is some foam behind it, so it kind of deforms, help manage impact, and also encourage a slide. Most of us, when we fall off the bike, the first thing you want to do, especially if you're inexperienced when it comes to crashing, you want to put your hands out and kind of brace yourself for the impact. Having the sliders in place just helps get that to come out from underneath you. It prevents tearing the glove all apart. It also helps to reduce the amount of energy that's transmitted into your wrist, arm, shoulder, so on and so forth. Reduce injury. They're using it here on the palm, up here, protect the end of the ulna. And then, of course, the pinkie. That is a real vulnerable spot. Most crashes are low sides, right? Hands on the bars inside. Everything you need is right there to help protect the hand. They also used internal stitching, which is rare. You don't see as much of that. Most of it is mostly external because they're more comfortable that way. Spidi's been making gloves a long time, and with this, they were able to use internal seams and still get the comfort that you need. See here, there's a reinforced seam. It's a real critical spot there. Motion panel here for the thumb. Energy absorbing foam there. Something else I found that was interesting is airflow for the glove. They've got some perforation in between the fingers. And then if you look at this knuckle protector here, this is kind of a little tunnel system. It's floating on top. You've got some leather behind there. You have some energy absorbing material behind the carbon protector. Right here in between the fingers. You see where I'm putting my index finger there. That is wide open. Hands are on the bars. Air is going to drive in here underneath the knuckle protector. And on the back side of this, there is effectively, it's a piece of stretch fabric, okay, to help maintain the comfort of the glove because you have all your abrasion impact resistance here on that floating top piece. So it drives just a ton of air into the glove. That's a pretty intuitive ventilation system. Carbon protectors here. Carbon protector for the back of the hand. The replica gloves have this cool screen printing on them. This is a Adobe replica here. It looks really cool. Safety strap. It is Keramide lined. They use Keramide stitching. I want you to think of that as a heavily abrasion resistant material. We've got leather overlays here in the areas where your hands are going to contact the bars. It's going to help keep the service life of the glove as high as possible. Dual adjustment system up here at the gauntlet. The inside of the glove also is, let me see if I can get that. Can you zoom in there, Steve, and get that? You can see all the yellow fabric in there. That is that Keramide fabric. That is abrasion and tear resistant. Part of what makes this a top-end road racing gauntlet glove. I like the quality. I like the fit. I like the feel. You know, and the internal seams are nice. They do offer a little more structural integrity than external seams do, and they're challenging to do and do well, and Spidi really executed well with this glove. I'm Brian Van, sportbiketrackgear.com.